So guys, the Nike Airmax 2090, is it dope? Is it not? Every sneaker has its own category. You got basketball sneakers, and then you got running sneakers. This particular Airmax 2090, in my opinion, these kicks are made to be running. You know what I mean? It's not just something that you could just wear, although you could wear it every day if you want to. But to me, they're made for running. So, let's take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like. In case you don't have these shoes yet, they come in a box that looks just like this, all right? The particular color I'm gonna review today is the white, black, and the pure platinum. Let me show you the bottom. Let me show you the top, all right? Now understand this, guys. These sneakers right here were designed, okay, were inspired by the Air Max 90, okay? It's got a modern look to it. The material on it is translucent. It's supposed to give you more of a comfortable ride because there's more air at the bottom. You understand what I'm saying? So these right here are definitely made for sports activities. As you can take a look at the back, at this rubber area right here, you see the Nike switch sign. It's all ribbed around, all right? Translucent material. These right here are very light at the top, but when you feel the bottom, the rubbery bottom is kind of heavy at the bottom. I guess you will have to have a heavy bottom since the top is so light. To me, you could probably run in these or do any sports activity or walk around in these, but every sneaker has its own category. They got basketball sneakers. These right here will be for running, you know what I'm saying? And I'm probably, like I said, a lot of people like walking around in running shoes sometimes. These right here, I definitely will wear it, you know what I'm saying? There's no doubt about it, you know what I'm saying? Even if it's something to walk around casually in, because it feels so comfortable and because it's made to be comfortable, yes, I would love to wear it, and I definitely would love to wear this running. There's no doubt about it. These are between 100 and 140 retail, okay? That's what you're gonna get if you're trying to buy one of these. All right, I've now come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, click that subscribe button, and if you're not, click that share button, click that like button, and come back again. All right, and until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on, or maybe I won't. Who knows? One easy.